Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I want to give the final update that I will give this week on this project that I started, and just want to show you guys where I am with the shuttle slash gunship. And it is now on a very large base, but of course I will be doing some landing gears, and once I do the landing gears, of course, it will also, I will have the choice of putting this on a platform, right? But I do have the choice of also putting it on its giant flight stand so that it can like come in and deliver my crew. All right, so some of the things I did today, of course, I heated up all the clay, hardened all the clay, then took my file and just filed everything down, added a couple of details to the clay area. I'm not finished with that. For the wings, I added some balsa wood, and I'm going to be filing all that down to kind of get a little closer to the wing, right? Maybe add a few rivets here and there and that kind of stuff. Okay. Then there is this component here, and this is actually a moving gun. It actually rotates, and I can rotate this, and it has a limited movement, right? But it moves just enough that it looks really cool. And I made this with several different components, and I have to file here. I'm gonna put another ring to kind of another green stuff ring, and I'm gonna file this up a little bit, right? It's still a little raw, but the gun moves, and that was a feature that I wanted to have. Okay, now it has another hole here that I drilled for another weapon, and here on this side I'm going to do a nice large hatch, right? Because we do need some kind of hatch. There will be some kind of vertical takeoff and landing structure, like a little nozzle or something there. I'll have to plan that because I am running out of space on the vehicle, but then that'll be it. Now on the tips here I can have like a missile or rocket pods. I don't know. I don't know yet what I'm gonna add there. We'll see. And I use another dowel to assemble the cannon. And basically this cap, if I can, there you go. This cap has to be put on nice and tight with hot glue, and then put my ring of green stuff all around that. Okay, so basically once this green stuff dries fully, it's going to secure it right there. But you can see the movement of the cannon. Everything into the hole of the bead, and I'm using a toothpick along with the barbecue stick. It's one of these thicker toothpicks. I use that because it's a little less, the circumference is not as big as the barbecue stick, so they both fit together into the ball, which then become, the ball of the cannon. Now this, usually it can go up or down, whatever the preference is, and of course you got to make sure that the green stuff is, everything is nice and straight, right? So that's about it. And then just that gets inserted, and then into the one end goes on the hole on the hull, right? On the hole in the hull, which allows a little bit more movement, and you press this on really hard with the hot glue and just stay there until the hot glue hardens, and you got this motion, right? And that's it. Then once that is done, I take green stuff and put it all around the sides, and here as well I add a little bit of crazy glue, put my green stuff ring, and that's why you see like that whitish thing there. That's because of the crazy glue. But this hardens up my hole there so it doesn't wear out or break. And there you go, a moving cannon. And don't miss the Martin and Julie chat this Sunday. And hopefully by then I'll have this at least base coated, if not, painted up. So we'll see. All right, folks. Thanks again. Have a great one.